Hello, Princess House lovers. Or are you new to Princess House and you haven't found our incredible company yet? Wait until you see it for yourself. My name is Thelindabradley and I've been representing Princess House for 40 years. Yep, you heard that right. So I meet a lot of people that ask me about joining Princess House. What does it take? How much money does it cost? What can you get out of it? And so I'm here today to tell you everything you need to know. You see a lot on the internet these days with people talking about being influencers and making incredible amounts of money that doesn't really seem to be true. And I'm going to be very honest and lay it right on the line with you. So Princess House has been in business since 1963. To join this company, you do need to start with a kit because how are you going to show the products if you don't have anything to show? So this is our starter kit. Let me show you what you get. Since we're known these days for our fabulous cookware, we might as well give you some right in your kit. So this is our 10-inch stainless steel non-stick pan. And this is a great item to have because you're going to love to use it in your home, but you're also going to be able to show it to others and they're going to want it as well. Remember that with any non-stick pan, you don't want to use any metal. So we're also going to give you the silicone tools. This is the flat spatula and it has the stainless steel base for strength. You're also going to get our most popular set of cookware, and this is the Vida Sana. What makes this so special is it is 5-ply, stainless steel, aluminum, 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 stainless steel. And what that does is it allows it to cook 29% faster. We have this special little NutriSeal on here, and if you use this, you can actually retain 67% of the nutrients in your food. So it's the best for healthy cooking. You can use it traditionally if you want to fill it up with oil. You can do that as well. So this is the 2.5 quart size. To prep your foods, we're going to give you the bamboo cutting board. This is nice because it has the 2 silicone edges, so it won't slip when it's on your counter. And you'll also notice that it has the indentation around it, so it'll catch all of your juices. Bamboo is the preferred product when you use your knives. Speaking of knives, you're also going to get the 5-inch Santoku. These are German inspired. They have great weight to them, but they're perfectly balanced for your hand. You'll see that they have the little divots in the bottom. And what this does is it allows you to cut thick and sticky items like cheese and tomatoes. It puts air in between it, so it makes it really easy. They all do come with the sheath, or you can put them in a block, whichever you prefer. And just like our stainless steel cookware, these come with a lifetime warranty. To show some of our other products, this is our borosilicate. These are called the soup and more containers. And this one, as I said, is borosilicate, but it has silicone on the outside. And then in the lid, you can actually vent it to let your things cool before you go ahead and use them. And I saved the best for last. This is our Immersion Blender. It's a 4-in-1. It's awesome if you don't have a lot of room in your kitchen for a large size blender because it does everything that you need to do and it takes a small space. So the first one is a masher. This is great for mashed potatoes. Let me show you how easy it is to change the heads. You just twist and turn, and that's it. Next up is our blender. This is great for smoothies. It also comes with a vessel that you can use right away. We have the whisk, and this is good for eggs, pancake batter, and whipped cream. And this might be my favorite one because it's a mini food processor. So you can use this when you make your salads to chop up your peppers, your onions, your celery. I also use it for baking nuts. You can use it also with coffee grinds. So these 7 items are your kit to start the company. You will also get a package of catalogs and specials and even training materials in your kit. Now, if you were to buy everything at regular price, it would cost you over $600. But the first discount that you get as a consultant is all of this is just $199 plus your state tax, and it's delivered directly to you. You can either pay it in full, $199, and then that will give you access immediately to all of our electronic products, and you will get your kit sent to you within a few days, and you'll also be able to order additional samples right away. Or you can start for just a $75 deposit. And when you do that, you will still get your kit shipped to you and have access to all the electronic products, but you won't be able to order samples until your kit is paid in full. Now, once you have your kit, you want to go ahead and use it. Start cooking with the products, start using them so that you can understand why Princess House is so special and help other people understand as well. You can sell the product in a variety of ways. You can host in-home presentations, either at your home or other people's homes. You can talk to your friends one-on-one. You can send texts or messages, and you can also use the internet. Part of my job is to teach you how to do each one of these items. With 40 years of experience, I've been through a lot and I can certainly help you along the way. As a brand new consultant, we have specials that we offer directly to you. Do you want to see? So right now, through June 17th, when you start with Princess House and you submit your first $750 in orders, you're going to receive your first prize. And this is our gorgeous, look at that color blue. This is our cast iron kumal, and this is a gift for you. During that same time frame, when you bring on a friend to also sell Princess House and she submits her $750 in orders, you'll also earn the electric tea kettle. But don't stop there. After your first 750, go ahead and do it again and submit another 750 for a total of $1,500 in orders in your first 4-week period, and you will earn another gift. This is our 13-inch straining skillet. You can see the silicone lid, and this is in the catalog for $224. Now let's get to the facts of the money. Princess House pays you a commission depending on the sales that you submit to the company. When you submit $1,500 in orders in a 4-week period of time, you'll receive $450 as your profits. So as a brand new consultant, when you submit $1,500 in your first 4-week period, you will not only receive $450 in profits, you will also receive our kumal, and you will also receive our 13-inch straining skillet. And that's just the beginning of many wonderful prizes that you could earn with Princess House. Our company's products are exclusive and it makes it very special. One thing that we are known for is the high quality of products that we have, which really helps people save money and time because our products last the test of time. There are people out there that have been using Princess House for 20 or 30 years and it still looks brand new. The secret to your success in Princess House is you. Take really good care of your customers. Learn as much as you can about the products. Answer all of the questions. And if you don't have the answers, then ask me and I will help you. I believe customer service is a lost art in today's world. And that is one of the ways that I help my customers feel very special because they are very special to me. The company gives us great offers and specials every month, which helps our customers save money as well. And one of the very unique things about Princess House is that we are the only company that I know of in this industry that offers layaway. So for somebody that wants to buy a large set of cookware or products that they really just can't afford all at once, they can take up to 10 weeks to pay off their order. And it's a great opportunity for them to get the items that they want at a price that they can afford. I love introducing brand new people to Princess House. It's really exciting to me to see the joy in their faces when they start using the products themselves and fall in love. Our company wouldn't still be here 61 years later if we didn't have a quality product that people want. I encourage you to try the business and see how it works for you. You need to purchase the kit, sign up, do the training, and learn what you need to learn. If you're ready right away, go ahead to my website, www.princesshouse.com/lbradley, and go under Start Now and sign up. If you have more questions, then reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. In my opinion, if you love the products, it's worth a shot. The worst that can happen is you're going to purchase our kit and you're not going to have any sales at all. Nothing. You're not going to like it. It's not for you. Guess what? You can either keep the kit or actually send it back. We have a money back guarantee even for our kit. So there's nothing to lose. But even in today's age and today's economy, people need to cook on a daily basis. In fact, more people are cooking from home now than ever before, not only to save money, but because they can control the ingredients that goes into their cooking. And so when you have high quality products that help you in your journey for healthier cooking, Princess House fits right in. You can find me on all the internet channels, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook. I'm everywhere. And the internet allows us to reach customers far and wide. You don't have to have a huge family or a huge group of friends to be able to start. So again, what are you waiting for? I'm happy to answer any of your questions. Just reach out. What if this is the best thing that ever happened to you?